Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are doing a makeup look, and this is in collaboration with two of my lovely friends here. We have Arielle and Anya, and of course I will leave their videos linked up above in the iCards and down in the description. Description. My voice cracked. So in today's video we are using a palette that we just haven't used yet. Not necessarily like an old forgotten palette, but maybe we purchased or received, we were gifted a palette and we just haven't used it yet. So with that in mind, I decided to use the Amrezy palette. This is by ABH, and this was a palette that was gifted to me by Travis, my husband, so thank you so much. He bought this for me for Valentine's Day. Haven't used it yet, so perfect video. So if you're interested to see what kind of look I can create using this, and I might add some glitters, stay tuned and let's make a look. Dive into the makeup look, I just opened this out the box. Like, it is fresh, brand new, and I'm loving this soft pink. It's super pretty, very Valentine's, so I can see why he gravitated towards getting me this palette. And on the inside, of course, you get the mirror and you get the double-ended brush, and this does bend back. I try not to bend it all the way back, but it does if you want to. And here are the shades. Oh, so pretty. So at the top, there are also some pressed glitters in this palette. I am loving this. So I'm super excited to give this a try, and I told him I was using it for this video and he was like, ooh, I can't wait to see. Me too. So again, this is a collaboration with Anya Stamper, or Pink Sweets here on YouTube. She does lovely makeup videos, you guys. Her channel is very makeup focused, tutorials, first impressions, unboxings, reviews, collaborations with other channels, a very well-rounded beauty channel. And also I'm collaborating with Arielle from Always Arielle. Same deal, she is a great beauty channel, and Arielle is getting into doing videos such as picking out palettes to use in the month, which I think is really interesting and a great way to use up your collection. She also does first impressions, some unboxings, and I just love both of their energies. They are so sweet, and thank you guys for collabing with me, and I'm so glad to be in a group with you guys, and we are known as the Three Musketeers, so please don't forget to go check out their videos. So let's zoom in a little closer and do a little makeup look. So to set my eyes for the makeup look today, I'm using the concealer by COVERGIRL, and this is in the shade Deep Golden. And then I'm going to set that using the ColourPop Loose Setting Powder in Medium Deep. So the first shade I'm going to use is called New Yorker, and I'm using the Morphe E27 brush to just blend this all over my eyelid. Now this shade isn't popping. You know, it's really melting into my natural skin tone, which is fine. I just want to lay this down as a transition color for the rest of the look. So for transition color, this is a good one to grab for my skin tone. But I feel like for fairer skin tone, this would definitely show up as a really nice brown, like a very soft taupe brown. So just using a color switch here to clean off the brush so I can use the same brush, we are going to dive into the color 1988 and apply that in our crease. Well, this is a very pretty shade. I like it. So what I'm doing is small circular motions in my crease area, just making sure that this is very diffused and blended. Okay, so next I'm going to dive into the color Yugo and just add that to my lower part of my crease to deepen up this color just a bit more. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe R39 brush, and this will help add that concentrated color where I want, but still have a little bit of blending out. So looking at the shades that I'm building, nothing looks like muddy. Everything looks like it's building really well, so that is a plus. Honestly, I do like ABH shadows. I feel like their formula is really nice. Everything's very pigmented, very buildable, and blends really well. So I'm not seeing a difference in formula with this palette, which is nice. So as far as the palettes that the other girls are using, I'm not gonna ruin the surprise. I want you guys to go over and check out their videos and see what palette they decided to use, which one they wanted to get some use in, which new palette they got. And yeah, it's exciting. It's exciting. I really do love collaborating with these two ladies. They're so sweet, so supportive. And this is fun because I am using a new palette and I love diving into new palettes. It's just like that fresh eyeshadow, that first impression. I live for it. It's nice. Okay, so I think that is good. Now what I want to do is bring a little bit more of this yogu and put it right at the end here, because I just want to tighten up that corner. So with that being done, we are going to go into a concealer. So this is the Pretty Vulgar concealer and it is in the shade The Middle Ground, and we're just going to cut my crease with this. So I'm trying out a new shape for my cut crease. So this is just going like from point A to point B, and we'll see how it looks in the end. But okay, so I'm going to hop off camera and do the other side. Okay, cut creases are done, and now we're going to add one of the top shades in the palette. So the next shade we're going to add to the cut crease is called Barb, and I'm using the eyeshadow brush from Sigma, the E55, to apply. That's a pretty shade, but it's not really sticking out as far as on my concealer. Let me see if I can add more. Yeah, it's kind of, I guess it's making my concealer look a little sparkly, but it's not really giving me a different color, you know what I'm saying? I think I would like to try Barb with a black concealer, because then I think the pink tones would really pop, but using a more brown toned, tan toned concealer, it's not showing up the pink tones, but it is giving you like a really nice sheen to the lid, but you're not really picking up the color. But that's okay, it's still a really pretty shade. I'm not mad at it. All right, so next I want to do is add my liner and mascara. That's usually just, that's so basic. So I'm gonna hop off camera and do that really quick, and then I'll be right back because I think we are going to add some glitter. Okay, and so this is almost the completed look. So we're gonna add some glitter, and the glitter glue I'm going to use is the Too Faced adhesive one, and we're going to dive into some LELEPOSH glitter. This is in the color Resolution. And we're just gonna put this kind of in this area and outward. Now this glitter is a mixture between fine and chunky, so gotta be very careful because it can go everywhere very fast. Very fast. It's okay if I go over the liner a little bit because I can go back and add more liner, but I just wanna make sure that I don't disturb the cut crease. All right, so I went ahead and finished off my makeup. So I did my base, my lipstick. I am wearing the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Evil Twin. I wanted something vampy that would just really accent the eyes really well, and added some pink hair. So everything is done. Now, all in all, I think that the ABH Amrezy palette is cute. It's a very nice Valentine's-y type of palette, but I do feel like it's kind of muted. For using a concealer as a cut crease, I felt like the shade Barb was just kind of a meh color. So I'm really glad that I went and added the loose glitter from LELEPOSH because it kind of just gave it a little bit more of an umph to that eyeshadow. Now, do I recommend this palette? Out of all the ABH palettes, I don't think I would recommend this as like a must-have palette, but if you like the pink theme, if you like the pink aesthetic of this palette, if you're a pink person, then this would be a palette for you to grab. I'm happy that Travis gifted this to me for Valentine's Day. Thank you, honey. It is a cute Valentine's Day palette. Very much suits the theme. And the look I am here for. I'm loving it. At first I was like, oh my gosh, where am I going? But it all came together. So let me know what you think of the final look down below. And if you have the Amrezy palette, what do you think about it? Do you like it? Are you like yes or pass? Let's get to chatting down in the comments. And don't forget to check out Anya's video and also Arielle's video, which I've linked in the description box as well. You guys, I love them. They're a well-rounded channel. They are so welcoming and so loving, and I am just here to support and love you guys so much. So please, please, please go over there and check out their videos and their channel as well. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and you'll be notified when I post a video to my channel. And that is all I have, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.